I hope this isn't a shit show.
It will be.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
Here we are again.
We
It's been
are.
like, what, 17 years?
Too long.
Long time.
In a couple weeks.
Days, Brian, days.
Yeah, it's been too long. I mean, we got Nick here. We got Chapman. We got Scott. We got Don. I mean, I'm just happy to be in your presence, boys.
Yeah.
Gang's all here.
Got a good one.
Got a nice cold beer.
Yeah.
Drinking the Coors Light.
What else can you ask for?
I don't know.
Well, we're going to do something a little different tonight,
Yeah,
right?
we're going to kind of go back to the old format.
Try something out.
Yeah, it's like we're going retro.
How far back are we going?
Who knows?
Because we have a lot of old formats.
I'm going to tell you, we've gone through a lot of formats.
we
We're
have.
talking
Not
about
specific
I think
enough.
it
My
was
favorite format
3.0. 3.0, I think it was.
Yeah.
Which one is that? Is that where we went to an evening talk show?
Love that.
That was the
that
best.
Was honestly
that was
one of
absolutely
my
favorites.
You guys did like
By
that?
far the
Hell
favorite.
yes.
Oh man, that was
That's
a lot of
honestly,
work.
that's the only real format we had, to be fair.
And I'm going to tell you this, to all the podcasts that are out there, we're creative as fuck.
Yeah.
Like that was pretty. If I'm gonna toot my own horn.
Honestly, that was amazing. From
That
the
was-
music
Was
to
that
the
like
intros.
the
That
Muppet
was-
Show, the
Yeah.
board he built or something like that? What was that?
No,
No, that was
yeah.
when he did the late night show where he'd
Had
do
the-
an announcer.
Yeah,
He-
but I
he-
thought you
laughs.
did like...
And
Yeah,
the
did the
laugh.
laughs. Yeah,
Yeah.
I tried to make it like a little
Magical.
Johnny Carson.
magical. Honestly, we should have a
was-
separate channel
You know what?
just
In
for
the
those
show notes, I'll
episodes.
put a link to one of them if you're
Yeah.
curious and you missed it.
I think you have to. And honestly,
Yeah, because
I
it's
wanna go and
notably
listen.
different. It's notably different.
It is, and I will always say the production has been top notch.
Well,
top
sometimes.
notch. So
Well, here's
That was
the plan.
peak of production.
Here's
to
the
be fair.
plan. I put a thing out. You know, I
we
thought
can go peakier.
I thought we were getting a little stray. We went astray.
We always go astray.
Yeah, and it's a little too much. So, ladies and gentlemen, I put it out there. We premeditated what we're talking about tonight. This is the first time ever.
I hate it.
Well, we're going to see how it works.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't like to be in a cage.
Yeah.
I feel like
an
I'm in a
animal.
cage.
Feel like an animal.
I feel like an animal. I feel
Outside
like, you know
the
what?
box is where we live. Outside the box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like
And
I'm
you're making it sound like we really planned this. I mean, it's
That is true.
There's not. I mean,
Four
we,
text
I think
messages.
we put about 30, 40 seconds
Well,
into
listen.
the prep.
That is a great point.
Here's
But
the
that's
deal.
huge
It's not
for us.
premeditated.
That's kind of big.
That is
That's
honestly
pretty
that
big.
is. We don't put that much time in usually.
No.
Except when you used
And
to
I-
do the bios when we would have guests.
I did that. I would
Yeah.
put some time into
that
that.
was some time.
Yeah,
That was.
And I'll tell you that was great.
And maybe we'll get back there. We'll see.
One step at a
See how
time,
this
Scooty.
goes.
Like you can't climb Everest without the first step.
I'm with you.
30 seconds is a lot of time.
You know what it takes?
is.
It takes a lot of dancing.
Oh.
Nobody's
Yeah. Dancing
dancing
around.
anymore.
No.
Yeah.
That's true. Is it like across the board, or are we just not dancing? Because
I think we're
sometimes it
getting
feels
old.
like when
I
you
don't
don't
know.
do
I think we're
something,
getting
nobody
old.
else is doing
Here's
it.
what I know. My grandmother had a boyfriend. His name was Bill. And every Friday night, they went to this one restaurant that was attached to a banquet hall just so they could crash the wedding and go dancing.
Yeah, that makes
That's what
sense.
I'm
She
talking
just
about.
left
Real
her.
life
She left her
wedding
grandpa
crashers.
at home.
I feel
No, my
like
grandpa was dead. She was with her boyfriend.
Oh, this
now.
is after post.
Yeah.
I
Post-mortem.
feel it starts with kids not dancing at the dances, and then I mean even back in the day when we went to roller rink, it was like dancing, right?
That's
you had
true.
the music and the lights, everything
was like
about
dancing.
a
Hold
dance
on
a
vibe.
second.
I would give you that.
You're
Yeah.
telling me that when you went to dances, let's start in like high school, right?
Yes.
Just high school dances.
Yes,
There were people in your class dancing.
100%.
I would
dance.
We
There was at
We
least
all
there was
danced.
at least one person up there dancing.
Yeah, we had a lot of dancers.
Yeah.
Really? Do I just forget? Was I a dancer too?
So yeah,
It was like a lot of pressure back in the day. Like I remember my first homecoming, it was like, I'm not dancing. And everyone's like, well, you have to take your date out for at least one dance.
Oh, you're talking. Whoa!
You gotta
You're
do-
talking slow dancing. I'm talking fast dance.
You got to do one fast dance and
you have to do at least one
you
fast
have
dance
to do
get
a
the
slow
slow
dance.
dance.
Yeah, you
Slow
got to do
dance.
that.
Yeah,
So
it was all about the slow
it was
dance.
a lot of pressure.
Always about the slow dance. But here's the thing: I would never have to dance the fast dance. I would just go. Would you like, my lady?
Yeah.
Would you like to dance?
Would you dance a slow dance to the fast song?
Yeah, of course.
That's next level.
But here's the deal. It's gotten so bad. When you go to the weddings, I don't feel like dancing at weddings. Do you?
No, I can't.
Nobody wants to dance anymore.
Because the young people want to dance. But here's the thing
I don't
about
think they want to dance.
They
Nobody
don't
wants to
dance.
dance.
the young people
Empty
want
dance
to
floor? is
dance.
what you're
Empty
saying?
dance
I haven't been to
floor.
a wedding. And is it empty dance floor? now?
Like, you know, the bridal party, kudos to them.
Yeah.
They suck it up.
They keep the party
They
going.
have
gotta
to.
do it.
But
It's
it
part of the
looks
party.
They're
desperate.
kind of
It
like
doesn't
hired
look real.
dancers, right? When you're in a wedding party, you're kind of like a hired dancer.
You are a hired dancer.
What
Essentially.
happened to all the
You're
choreography with
absolutely
weddings?
right.
There was like a
Yeah,
whole thing
that-
with choreography.
that still
and,
Did that
goes-
for a while.
yeah, that's
And now
gone.
that's gone.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like that
I think
either.
I blame it on
I don't do that.
TikTok.
But
I
I
think the
gotta tell
TikTok
you, I was
dances
just
ruin
gonna
everything.
bring that up. Kids, like you say, kids don't want to dance anymore, but they'll make a video of them dancing and they want to get 1 million views.
Right.
But if they have to
So, like-
dance in front of somebody,
So,
there's
so
not
we're,
a chance that
we're
happening.
solo dancers now.
Maybe we're the last generation of
Line
dancers.
dance. Do you think line dancing ruin everything? Because you have to be like, you actually have some knowledge.
I
of
tell
the
you,
dance.
it's a little intimidating.
I'm going to tell you,
It
it's
is.
intimidating.
It's a little intimidating.
But boy, oh boy, those cowboys couldn't be any more
Right.
inviting.
You
They're-
feel like
listen,
they were born dancing.
If you make a wrong step, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What do they say?
Yeehaw.
You know what? Like, dude, don't worry about it.
Dude. Yeah.
Cowboy.
Pal.
There you go, cowboy.
And I don't know what it is about a female line dancer. They're automatically beautiful.
Well,
Yeah.
it's the short shorts.
And you can be drunk as hell out there having some fun.
Oh, yeah.
That's true.
But they're sawdust. You better be careful. If you're out there, you could easily, I mean, how?
Little barn dance.
There's sawdust.
Oh, yeah, they put sawdust on the floor because it's
Just-
got to be authentic.
Right.
But my conclusion in all this
I
is
know that.
maybe we have an obesity epidemic because nobody's dancing.
That's
That is an interesting theory.
Do you think they're dancing in Europe?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're dancing.
They're dancing.
Really?
Yeah.
for sure.
Oh, yeah. The
How do you guys-
discotheque.
The
Oh,
discotheque.
Yeah, they love their dancing.
that's drugs and dancing. I'm talking about like, let's go dancing tonight, honey. Kind of like, like a couple
where
go
would you do
dancing.
Yeah,
that?
where would you go?
Well, I do know
Fred
of a place.
Astaire?
That's a good question.
They have a place. Man, what is the name of it? It's the where is it Vi's?
Yeah.
The Italian
Yeah,
restaurant,
yeah,
and
yeah.
then there's that
That's
Mexican.
the line dance. You talking about the line dance?
No, the Mexican restaurant behind it.
Yeah.
Rosie? No, not Rosie.
No. It's Friacos.
Friacos. Friday night, starting at 10 o'clock. Samba
Salsa?
dancing.
Now,
I
let me
don't
ask-
want a salsa. Do you say salsa?
Samba.
I said
I said
salsa.
samba.
Yeah, you said salsa. Listen, I don't want to do that.
Either
I don't
one?
know how to samba dance. I want to freestyle.
I tell you, you break a sweat samba dancing.
Have any of you guys ever gotten up in a restaurant with your wife or girlfriend or anybody and danced where there was no dance floor? Have you ever done that?
Oh, my.
There's two things I won't do in a restaurant.
Uh-huh.
I won't dance out in the middle of a restaurant when there's no music, and I won't.
There was
sit-
music. There's
and-
music. There's somebody playing a piano live,
Okay.
and you
All
get
right,
up
so
and
somebody
dance.
will add
There's
playing
music, yeah.
to that. I won't
Yeah.
never do that, and I also would never sit on the same side of.
Yeah, we've
the,
discussed that before.
Yeah,
of
I,
the,
I've
Not
done
same
both
side.
those things.
Table?
I frequently
what is
sit
it
on
called?
the same
Booth.
A booth?
Yeah,
Booth.
if-
I won't
if-
sit. I can't do it.
I
Yeah.
judge.
No, not a chance.
Not even if I'm waiting. If I'm waiting for another couple
Yeah, it's
and
awkward.
we get there first, I'm sitting across.
No, when
And then I'll move.
I'll sit next, and then
What if
when the
it's
other
a s-
couple shows up, I'll move
What
across.
if it's a square table? You go to like the next L, like the other
No,
part
square
of the L.
table's fine.
You go.
Square table's fine. It's just the booth.
Got it.
Yeah.
When you're sitting on the same side of the booth, there's something
What if
wrong.
there's
Yeah.
what if
I
there's
still
a,
like sitting across at a square table.
Really?
What if
I
it's-
kind of do the L.
Oh no,
Right
I'll
next-
sit. I sit across. Yeah,
Just
sometimes
I
I'll
like
do
the look. I like
Do the
it
L.
look
Yeah,
straight
me too,
on.
me
I like
too.
it straight on. I
I
don't want to
agree.
get
what if
kink
it's a
in my
one-sided
neck.
booth with chairs on the other side? Somebody's losing on that deal.
100%.
Yeah.
So
but
do you?
I'll lose.
Yeah, you'll take
I'll
the
take
hit.
the
You'll
loss
take the hit.
not to sit on the
Really?
same side.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
You go chair.
I'll
or
go
booth?
chair. I'll go hard chair.
Oh,
I'll
chair
go
for
hard
sure.
chair.
That's not a loss. That's a win.
Yeah,
No,
I
I want
agree.
booth.
You get a little more room.
I feel claustrophobic.
Yeah.
Oh man, I love a booth.
Dancing.
Dancing. Dancing in the booths.
Dancing in the booth.
Took a lovely walk today, boys. Oh, my God.
Beautiful
Was
weather.
it
High
weather?
stepping.
It's been beautiful. These last 5 or 6 days have been absolutely
Pretty
fantastic.
incredible.
10 days.
Ah,
10
no.
days. 10
10
days.
days. I'm talking
10 days.
like
20
almost a month.
25
Agree
days.
to disagree. It's too goddamn hot for a walk.
It is still too hot.
You got to
You
get up
think
too
so?
early.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
by the
get up
time-
early.
Get a good
84
sweat
84
on.
degrees is too hot.
You get a good sweat on a little bit.
That's not.
Dude, you
There's
know
no
what
such
makes
thing
you
as a good
sweat?
sweat on.
What makes you sweat?
Well,
Wearing one of these weighted vests when you take a walk.
oh my
that's the
God,
thing.
who's wearing those?
It's way too hot. I got one. I got one a couple weeks ago.
Oh,
My wife has one.
And
You bought one?
I did buy one. Yeah.
Oh, my.
How
it's,
much? How much is it weigh?
I have it at 42 pounds right now,
Jesus.
but
Yeah,
it
I
goes
s-
up to 70.
You could rent
Yeah.
a baby and just get a baby Bjorn and walk around for a while.
No, it's not heavy enough.
I saw a guy
This is
downtown
lead.
Chicago
lead
with one.
Like they're everywhere.
yeah,
It's a thing.
took me about 5 minutes to figure out he's not a cop. I had to ask him, "Are you a
Black
cop?
jacket.
You a cop?"
Yeah.
He's out with this hot chick, and I'm
Can't
like, "This
tell you. He's
security
undercover.
security guard?
Yeah.
Did he have like a high dress
You
pants
scooter?
on
Are you
and-
scooter?
You think
It's-
those things can stop a bullet?
For sure they can.
Yeah,
That's
I mean, it's
that's why
lead.
Scooty's got him.
It's
Lead.
like it's a like the one I have
lead.
is like
Oh my God.
like
You think
lead.
it's lead?
Yeah, it's like lead weight.
How'd you go about buying one of these?
Somehow these things are small canisters and they're very heavy, so it's very dense metal
You
of
gotta be
some
careful because
sort.
lead caused autism like Tylenol.
100%.
Yeah, I was worried about that part.
So here's my problem with the
Not in
weighted
Cuba.
vest, though. Everybody's wearing a weighted vest anyway because most people are 20, 30 pounds
Yeah.
overweight.
That's
yeah,
true.
That is true.
so you
Built
already
in.
have a weighted vest. Why are you adding more
This is
weight
a
to
good
it?
point.
You're going to have a back problem.
Yeah, I got
Yeah.
a great weighted vest.
Or
Yeah.
your hips. You know what's going to happen is the I don't remember what the name of this fucking band that runs from your butt to your knee, but I think that would hurt
T-band?
too.
T-band.
Iliotibial
the
band.
T-band?
IT band. It's the
IT.
IT
It's
band.
the IT
Yeah.
He knows.
band.
IT band.
How
Yeah.
did I forget that?
I don't
Terrible.
know.
Terrible.
But anyway, everybody already has it.
It's the latest craze. I mean, it's
It is definitely a
nice
suburbia
little
thing,
workout.
right?
Yeah.
It is a suburbia thing. Well, it got me thinking the other day. I had an appointment in the city, downtown, and good old Google took me a fast way. It was in the morning, so there
And you
was
were
bad
thinking how
traffic.
you haven't had a back problem in a long time?
So I had to get off on 79th, off of 9094, and MLK, and kind of take the back way on the south side
You
of
never
Chicago.
go MLK.
And I noticed, I'm looking around, and it was a telltale sign that I wasn't in a great neighborhood because everything was boarded up or bars on the windows or like the pull down metal
I've been
shades.
down that road.
So I was thinking, I'm like, okay, this is how you know you're in probably not a great neighborhood, bad neighborhood. So how do you know you're in a good neighborhood?
Weighted vest.
Which led me back to
Wait,
people wearing weighted
There
vests.
you go.
Or are they just scared people? Maybe there's bulletproof
Life's
vests.
not hard enough for these folks, these people, right? Myself included. Life must not be hard enough.
Well, the reason why is because they're carrying groceries,
we gotta,
walking.
We gotta
Yeah.
throw.
That's
we gotta,
their weighted vest.
we gotta throw
I
a
don't
weighted
get
vest
those
on.
people either.
There's
What's
no
it-
way
that
I'm
carry
walking
groceries?
with. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm not walking with my
Why not?
groceries. If I have a
Well,
car,
if you got some milk or some yogurt, it sounds
it's,
like
it's going bad by the
it's
time you get
86
home.
degrees and these
Yeah.
people are walking miles.
It's like golfing too. You would carry your bag. I'm assuming, right?
that's
You'd walk
fine,
and
but
carry.
you don't have yogurt in there.
Like you
Would
wouldn't
you
wheel
say-
it around
All right,
as a
would
man.
would you say
wouldn't
your
wheel it
weighted
around
vest
with a cart.
is your weighted vest heavier than your golf clubs?
I would say it's about. I would say
No, I
golf
think your golf clubs are 30 pounds.
How heavy do
Yeah,
you say
so
your
it's probably
particular
about
weighted
30.
vest is? I know it can go up to 70. But where are you at?
42 right
You're
now.
at 42.
I got 4 of the cylinders out of it. Yeah.
You get one of those fake badges to put on the front?
It has some goofy badge on it. It does look like some sort of SWAT thing. It's somewhat embarrassing, but
No, not around here. It
the
isn't.
fact that everyone is doing it is
Respect.
not embarrassing
Yeah, it's
anymore.
So
Yeah.
here's what you need to do.
And it's growing. I've been doing. I was the only guy out there a couple weeks ago. Everyone's got them now.
Only guy, definitely a lot of girls.
Because they're selling at TJ Maxx.
I
They're
saw-
discounting at TJ
I saw
Maxx.
a pack of dudes, maybe five older gentlemen, all weighted vests, walking together yesterday.
simultaneously. They
Down
were doing
135th Street by
orchestrated,
Grand Park.
What percentage do you think are bought by the wives for these gentlemen?
Which 100%, all of them.
All of them.
Oh, let me
listen,
try this, honey.
Yeah, try this on.
Happy Father's
You fat fuck.
Day.
Yeah,
that's
you,
Go for a walk.
You fat piece
Go
of
find
shit.
Scooter.
you got to wear it
The-
without a shirt.
Yes.
That's what you got. If you're gonna
Yes.
do this, you wear it without a
Yeah.
shirt.
Yeah, I don't wear it with a shirt. You can't wear it with a shirt. It gets too hot.
Everybody wears it with a shirt.
No, I don't wear it with a shirt.
Really?
Just only wear.
You're without it?
Yeah.
Oh my lord!
It gets sweaty.
I tell you,
I gotta go see this.
It's been too hot
It's like
out.
Macho
to-
Man Randy Savage out there.
Listen
Thing's
here,
got to smell.
listen here,
bad.
brother.
First a weighted vest, and now you're gonna get tattoos.
Well, the nice
you're
thing,
gonna
too,
get arm sleeves.
It's got a water bottle holder in
Oh,
the
my
front,
God,
cell
this- you
phone
got the
thing.
nice
Oh,
one.
my God.
You got
It's
the
pretty
nice
nice.
one.
You're adding. This is much
CB
more-
radio, CB radio.
It's- well, you
Big
can put
antenna,
whatever- yeah.
wraps from the back to the front.
It's got a
Got a 30 clip on the side. You got a little 30 clip right here.
It catches on the trees as I walk by. The antenna's like whacking on it.
Oh shit! I love the way that. Listen, I got to get me one of those weighted.
Dude.
Tell my wife.
You haven't lived until you walk the neighborhood in a weighted vest.
Okay.
Well, I never will.
Oh.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm never gonna do it.
It's good for your skeletal structural rigidity. That's what they say.
That's what they say.
Oh, I thought you actually had to hit the thing. Hey,
E-bikes.
What the fuck?
I did see the post today.
we're
The
goddamn
mayor,
professionals.
Guess
the mayor
what?
said it's shutting down.
Yeah,
Right,
they're shutting
e-bikes
down.
are gone.
This is the
No
greatest
kids on
news.
e-bikes.
So they're shutting down e-bikes
I love it.
in many cities across America right now, and we are going to be the benefactor of this because
Well, I think all the e-bikes are here.
They're dangerous.
we're going to get a
They're
nice
everywhere.
e-bike
Yeah.
for a couple $100 now because all these kids are going to have to sell them.
I'm honestly
Adults
jealous.
can
though.
still ride
I'm
'em, right?
jealous that we missed out on the e-bikes
Not me.
because it's like
No.
a motorcycle with no fucking rules.
That we're
They're going to
giving
be
to
so
14
cheap right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. These kids are gonna have zero calf muscles.
Yeah.
Zero.
That's
Zero.
insane.
They're not gonna be able to.
They
Guess what?
They need the weighted vests.
I was going to say, can they
zombie-
wear a weighted vest while they ride it?
I'm gonna tell you, I
That
could
won't do
ride
anything.
no, not now.
No,
That-
you gotta
the-
walk.
Yeah, you have to walk now. This is the problem with those e-bikes. So when there's a zombie apocalypse or some shit's going down, even a mob, maybe there's a mob after us.
Yeah.
And there's kids that have to ride. What the fuck? And they have to pick up a regular bike, and I've got to pick up a regular bike. Guess who's going down?
EMP is going to take out all those electric bikes, and you
100%,
can't even use them.
Learn how to
No,
use it.
no.
Yeah.
Peloton's going to buy them. We're going to go e-bike Peloton.
Oh.
You'll get on that bike,
And
put
it'll
the
just
screen,
go?
and it'll just go.
That's great.
That's the best. Peloton's going to fucking make a comeback with the
Yeah.
e-bikes.
Yeah.
It's absolute genius.
I could see Scooter buying an e-bike,
What-
but never turn it on and just do the pedaling because they're so damn heavy. He wants to work
Yeah.
Oh,
out.
he wants to
Yeah.
work
He
Oh,
out.
wants to,
yeah.
with his weighted
With a
vest.
vest on.
no shirt.
Yeah, he's gonna pedal that
shirt.
motherfucker.
What happened to the one wheels? I thought those were going to be the biggest thing.
They're-
Yeah.
They're dangerous.
Very
you had
dangerous.
You had an e-skateboard
I
for a while.
had a boosted board. I still do. I love that thing.
There was
I don't
a
ride it much
tragic
anymore.
incident with that, though.
Yeah, I had a friend that died. Oh, sorry about that beep.
Oh, I thought you fell and hurt yourself.
No, I shattered my bone.
So you
my
had a friend
arm.
that
And you had a friend
died?
that died on one?
Yeah,
Like, did
What?
you just have a heart attack?
in Chicago.
Yeah. What
What?
happened?
He hit a car.
Really?
Holy shit!
Yeah, he got T-bone.
Wow.
Jesus.
Oh.
Do you call him T-Bone now? Hey, T-Bone.
R.I.P.
You know, it's funny. I know a T-bone.
Yeah.
He's a nice
Well,
fella.
Separate dude.
You mean you used to?
I bought a refrigerator from him.
Those things are dangerous.
Did he? Don't
I
give him
had
that.
the one wheel, and that thing was ridiculously
thing was
You
dangerous.
don't have it anymore?
I got it, but there's no way I'm getting
Thing
back on it.
malfunctioned.
Dude.
Did you go down on that?
See these?
Yeah, I went
these
down hard.
newfangled
It
technology things
malfunctioned.
never
I
work.
couldn't get
yeah.
it to slow down.
The funny thing is, I was really a big believer in micro mobility for a while. Because think about it, a highway, you got all these cars. Like, look at it next time you're in a traffic jam, but then actually count the cars, and there's one person in the car.
Right.
There's only like 30 people in a quarter mile.
Yep.
It's kind of ridiculous.
That's why they do it in
Do you follow
California.
what
I'm
I'm
going to tell you
saying?
that was an absolute great math problem,
Yeah.
and I was following you.
That's
We
why
gotta get
we
them
don't
all
have
on
we don't have the
e-bikes.
So that's
POV
why
lanes
you can-
here.
Yeah.
I'm saying all that.
HOV. That's what you
HOV,
want. You want
POV,
HOV.
whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, like something smaller. We don't need to take up all this space. I was really a big believer in it.
Oh, and
but-
the smaller cars.
well, those are dangerous too.
Smart cars
Right.
didn't take off.
No, smart cars. Well,
Remember
in Europe,
those?
in
But
Europe,
for us to
they're
tour
great.
around town, like to go run errands and stuff like
golf
that,
cart. We should be a golf
we
cart
should
community.
be a golf cart world.
Wait.
Oh,
In
that
the
would be
golf cart
city,
great.
world.
I was watching a thing on e-bikes just before I got here, actually, in fact. And I think for like a city in the Chicago, there's nothing better than an e-bike.
I agree.
You're hauling ass at like 30, 40, 50 miles an
Fuck
hour.
that.
You're on sidewalks, cool. On the street, cool.
Not cool when you're
on,
walking.
on the bike paths, cool.
Bus lanes?
Yeah, literally
They don't give
anything.
a shit.
And red lights, no
Yeah.
plates, cool.
Yeah.
Like there's
You're running
nothing
it.
there's nothing uncool about e-bike in the city.
And by the way, you don't even have to obey the rules of the
Yeah.
road.
Well, they have
You
them.
want to go through
Yeah,
that
it's
red light? Go
illegal.
nuts.
You just jump on a lime or whatever they are, right?
That's true too. They got those.
That's just what it is.
Yeah.
They're there. They're everywhere.
Escape
Divvies.
bikes. That's what they're just illegal escape bikes.
Yeah.
That's what E stands for. Escape.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
Exactly.
you could just kick an old lady down
Oh.
on the sidewalk, and what'd you just do? I fucking escaped because I was on my e-bike.
Yeah, and then when the cops pull you over, they ask for ID. Say it's unconstitutional.
Yeah.
You can't ask
don't-
me for
you don't-
that.
Yeah.
Who the fuck
Get
are you?
out of here. You work for me.
Yeah, 100%.
They love that.
But do you think the people are upset about the e-bikes not so much for the riding, but the wheelies? They're always riding on the wheels like that.
Yeah,
That
they're
looks
I've
always-
never
nice.
seen e-bike wheelies.
Oh, my
all the
God.
way down my street.
Yeah.
This kid does.
Really?
Oh, somebody
Never
did it on a
happened.
main street as I was trying to go
you
to
guys
Lifetime.
live in the bad side of town.
Oh, yeah.
where they wear the metal
weighted
vests.
vests.
No way, you don't see that.
No weighted vests.
Yeah, the shirtless vest guys won't
Which
allow
is
it.
even worse.
Because if you run into one of those guys, it's like running into a brick wall.
I don't know. But yeah, so we got the new law. I don't know.
There's got to be some kind of
These
like,
parents are going
laws.
to revolt though because they spend a lot of money on those things.
That's
I was
why
gonna say,
we're buying them.
they're kind of cheap though, right? That's why everyone has them. They've
Well,
come
no,
out-
They're
no.
still
Ish.
like $700, $800.
Are they that
No,
much?
they'll be
Some are
like 2 or
nine.
3,000.
Yeah, some are
No.
nines. No, they're
They're
not
like
that
300
high.
bucks.
5,000.
$200 or $300 from
15,
China.
like 15 grand. Like I've seen it from 900 to 15.
You get them on
grand.
Temu for $150, I think. 150,
No,
200 bucks.
no,
Yeah,
those are
one
fake.
wheel. It's
Yeah.
a unicycle.
Yeah, those are like
You can't even
triple
get a
A's.
mountain
Those you
bike
gotta-
for 150.
It's
you
an
gotta-
e-cycle.
yeah, those don't come with batteries.
No, no.
I tell you what, I
You
think
got
is
to pedal it.
Yeah.
the way to go.
They're cheap.
What?
It'd be a little tricky to get around town, but you ever seen them electric surfboards in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks nice. And
Just
you can't really get
no.
hurt on that.
But you have to
You
travel.
can get hurt.
Gas
How can you
surfboards.
get hurt
Those
on
are
that?
super
Come on.
dangerous.
They're solar powered.
No, they're gas.
The
surf-
foil?
Well, I'm
No,
not
not
saying
the
the
foil,
hover
no,
one.
no.
No,
just
not the
surfer.
foil. They're
They're very hard to
surfboards
ride.
that
I
have,
looked into buying one.
like
I was
Oh,
super
yeah.
excited.
Those foils are very dangerous.
The
Yeah.
foils are crazy when I see.
Yeah, they're
people
great.
Like
riding
they
those are awesome.
cut people's ears off and
Yeah.
stuff. when you fall.
Really? Whose ears are they cutting off, Nick? I've never read this.
Maybe
Look it up.
maybe
They're
a
like
shark's-
ISIS. They're the
Yeah.
ISIS of the water.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Or, no,
How are ears getting cut off?
Because when you fall,
Like I would have.
when you fall, it pops up and then
It just goes right for the ear?
Foil, like cuts. I'm being dead serious.
I had a dog growing up that did the same fucking thing. It would just go right for the ear.
Oh, what a
So,
dick.
Yeah. So I've heard this before.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So now it's
you
the
believe it.
surfboards.
You
Yeah.
believe it.
Surfboard.
I'm a believer.
Yeah.
I've seen
okay.
this kind of thing.
All right.
Okay. I thought it would be nice because it's a soft landing.
Yeah, it
Right in the
makes
water.
sense.
What do
So
you?
would you?
Obviously.
So would you travel around the suburbs by river? Just by river, and
Yeah.
I'll map it
the
out.
I&M Canal, and
Yeah.
over to the.
There's Brian. He's in the
Fox.
planes.
I got some straw and a straw hat on. On my surfboard, get around with my overalls.
Great. Just park it. Walk up the fucking.
He'd be
berm.
killing it in the no-wake zones, just
Oh, yeah.
flying by the boats, idling past.
I suppose it would work in.
You got the misfire.
How many buttons you got to work over there?
You gotta label them.
You got the misfire.
Oh my God!
You got the misfire.
Wait a second, I heard that.
You got the misfire.
What's he doing?
You got the misfire.
I thought
Brian's
there was
first day with
Don
the
that was
soundboard.
kept saying it over and over. I'm like,
Did he just pull that out of a cardboard box
he's
today?
got Tourette's.
You got the misfire.
I'm just going to hit stop. I'll put it in later. I tell you, I missed my calling.
What was it?
Wrong number.
I actually called my mother and smacked her
What?
over the phone.
Doesn't sound like you missed anything. You nailed it.
What's he laughing about? I called my mother?
No. Nick slid in.
You didn't
He
hear
said, what the hell did
You
I
missed
said I
your
missed my
calling.
calling.
I missed my calling?
it? Wrong
and-
number.
Yeah.
That's
Did you say
great.
wrong
Nick
number?
said wrong number. Nick said, "Now I'm third person."
You talking third person the rest of the show.
Okay.
Nick,
Well, he
I
always
want
does.
I
Nick-
want him to talk.
Nick's still laughing about.
He's his biggest fan.
No, I yelled at my mother for not
Misfire.
the misfire.
This whole fucking night's a misfire.
Pretty much
Fucking
is.
show the misfire.
I'm sweaty now.
You know I'm going to make this sound right, though.
Oh yeah.
Well, you gotta leave all this in.
Yeah,
This all
let's-
sounds
let's
right.
get
You
serious.
100%
Let's
leave
get
all this in.
serious.
This
Leave it
was
in.
fun.
Fuck it.
Nothing
I'll leave it
different.
in.
What calling did
Yeah,
you?
I wanna
make?
hear about
Yeah, let's
this.
get back to it. You're
All
right.
Yeah,
Brass
I called my
tags.
mother. I
Is
yelled at her.
Misconnection.
I wish I went to college to be part of the deep state.
Is there college for that?
Yeah,
I
would
guess that's
assume
college.
so.
I think if you went to college, you were part of the deep state. That's kind of how it works these days.
Sounds like a great gig.
I'm scared of anything deep.
I'm confused about the whole
So I don't
concept.
want-
What is it?
Is this a new
are-
state?
Yeah, I
I
can't
tell
do
you,
it.
there was a sinkhole in Bangkok.
Taiwan.
Taiwan,
Whatever
yeah.
it is. Yeah. I saw
Did you
that.
see that sinkhole?
That's wild.
Fuck that, dude.
Oh.
There's two things that scare me. Either sinkholes or as I'm going over one of those old bridges, it just
Yeah.
collapses. I always roll my windows down over the bridges, just in case.
Well, they say there's a bridge epidemic. They're
Yeah.
all going to start breaking soon.
That's what I've
Yeah.
heard. That's why I keep your windows down.
Is
so
that
you
why
can
we're
easily
redoing
swim
the
out.
one here?
Yeah.
Sounds like deep state misinformation. Sounds like he's
See?
to
Do you
college
think
for
he's,
the deep state.
you know,
He's
I
studying.
had Chapman figured
he's
out.
home studying. He's home studying for the deep state.
Was he just trying to do a psyop on us?
Yeah,
With his
100%.
bridges?
Yeah.
No, all seriousness. How do you get into it? How do you get into the deep state?
What is it? Like, what is deep state?
Oh, there's a deep state.
Literally anything you want.
Other than
Yeah.
conspiracy theory, is that just what it
Whoa,
general?
whoa. We
Yeah,
don't,
yeah.
we don't use
Foil
the
hat,
C
deep state.
word,
I'm
pal.
offended. I'm
Yeah,
offended.
yeah, me too.
You
Yeah.
just put a foil hat on and say something? Is that
How can you not believe there's a little bit of a deep state? The guy behind the Wizard of Oz.
You think there's a Wizard
There's
of
a
Oz?
guy controlling
Like
everything.
an NWO, like a New World Order.
Yeah.
Thank God it's
Behind
not you with the board. We would have fucked up. We would have had people.
See, I should have went to school.
I gotta
who's
tell you
have gone
though.
to school.
Who's
Makes
your
sense.
first guest behind the curtain right now?
Well, you see, that's the whole thing. They don't want you to know.
No, you don't know.
Well, you have to have some.
Somebody we have no idea who it is.
Don't know who it is. It could
It's
be my
got to be a
next door
short
neighbor.
list. It's got to be a short list.
I always thought it was my next door neighbor. I always get
He
worried.
was deep state?
Yeah, he's like number one. He's a 33 ranked Freemason.
Oh my.
Oh,
Yeah.
I got a guess.
What?
definitely Freemasons in there.
Behind the curtain.
Yep.
You want some Nick conspiracy theory?
Oh,
All
Oh,
right.
here we go.
Nick's-
Here we
Nick's
go.
conspiracy
This is the
corner.
best.
Still talking third person over here.
You better be.
I'm gonna guess what he's gonna say.
What do you think? Who do you
Yes,
think?
you're not gonna guess. So what's-
I'll give you guys a guess.
Just a name. You're gonna throw
He
out a
was
name.
a very prominent politician.
George Washington.
Dick
No.
Cheney.
No,
Ross Perot.
no. Great answer though.
Jeb Bush.
Jeb. No, not Jeb. Jeb was low energy.
Jesse
I'll
Ventura.
tell you, any name
Jeb.
Jeb, you're
it'd
either
be like
Higher ranked.
Justin
Justin Trudeau.
oh good
He's
one.
very deep.
Oh, that
He's
was
very
good.
Now,
deep state.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say Bill Clinton's pulling some fucking strings.
See, all
Really?
right.
Oh my
Now
God.
you're talking.
That
Bill's
guy-
too busy fucking.
Yeah.
No, Bill,
he's not
Bill
fucking.
doesn't. No,
Have
Bill
you seen
doesn't
him
want
lately? He ain't
anything to
fucking-
do with
Bill-
what's going on. Bill's listen. He's
Bill
getting.
came out of what, Arkansas?
Yeah.
Arkansas governor,
He's
no
a
family,
smooth motherfucker.
first generation, right? He's not like old money or anything, is
No,
he?
he's
No,
old.
but he's just-
You know how much
he's old
money the
news
Clinton
is what he is.
Foundation has?
He's just smooth.
I tell you,
Maybe.
if you're gonna know somebody in the deep state, you know who always pops in my head first? Hillary.
Yeah,
They're
he's deep
connected.
state, yeah. But I'll tell you something.
Because Hillary's not getting any dick.
There's proof
That's
there is no
probably
deep
what
state.
it is.
The proof there's no deep state is fucking Donald Trump, man. He's doing whatever the fuck he wants. What deep state guy is controlling that from,
Maybe he went to
motherfucker?
the
Well,
deep state school.
He's holding back on some
Somebody
Epstein
tried to
shit.
take him out on the
Well, yeah,
campaign trail.
because that's his shit. That's his bag of shit to carry. But other stuff, he's not holding back on anything. He just does whatever the fuck
You
he
don't think
wants.
the deep state had something to do with the assassination attempt on
I think
him?
Nick is deep state because now he's fucking. There's like everything is. There's no deep state situation.
I tell you, that was deep.
That was,
It was deep.
That was super deep.
I'm
deep.
found. I mean, you guys have been kicking these ideas around for years.
Yeah.
I'm bought in.
Well, I tell you,
I'm out actually.
So what are we out now?
I'm actually out.
Shit.
Yeah.
Well, I'll take your
maybe
space.
we should have a little empathy for the deep state guys because they got to be nervous. They're going to get caught soon.
Yeah,
How
they're
do you
mad.
sleep at night?
They don't
know.
get caught.
I'd be
Ah,
tossing and
They
turning.
got to be like, man, we're kind of pushing it a little far here.
Yeah, we're really
They're going to
fucking
figure this
around.
out sooner
Yeah.
or later.
But I'll tell you, I'm on their side. I think I'm out. I'm out of the conspiracy theories.
You're jumping on the other side?
I'm jumping on the other side. What do we call
All
that?
right.
That's
A convert?
Normal. Right?
Just an everyday average Joe.
I think you're regular.
Says
You're
the
just a
aliens
suburban guy with a weighted vest now.
That's it. With the aliens weighted vest guy says that.
You just enjoy
All in on the aliens.
following the rules.
That's all I'm going to do. Ignorance. What do they say? Ignorance is bliss.
Bliss, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
how I'm living.
That does sound nice.
Ignorance is bliss.
I wish I
What
could
is
live
this?
like
The
that.
red pill?
worry
Is it
too
the red
much.
pill?
Yeah. Don't
I worry too much. I worry so much. I came in here trying to figure out if I should cancel my Disney Plus because canceling Disney Plus, I was going to do it because it was annoying, but I couldn't do it last week because I was supporting Jimmy. Now I can't do it this week because I'm not
Yeah.
supporting. Like you can't
Yeah.
do anything.
You
The deep
keep,
state.
you keep your Disney Plus because they've got some great programming coming out.
What do they got?
I don't know.
No, they do
Thunderbolts,
not.
I think they have
Oh,
a
that's
Thunderbolts.
terrible.
I haven't seen it yet. Don't spoil it for
All
me.
Nat Geo's on there.
But anyway, they got
Yeah,
a lot of
Nat
good
Geo's
stuff
good.
coming on. So I
Wow.
kept it. I'm not
I
going to.
just got a message I got charged for
Why would
Disney
you
Plus
get-
5 minutes ago. I'm in for
You're
another
in.
month. God damn it!
I hate that.
Why
That's
would you
my
get rid of
Audible
it?
subscription. If you don't use your credits, you're going to
Yeah.
lose them. I'm like, Jesus Christ, why do I cancel
What?
this?
I know. I don't understand that either.
You know?
I keep my shit going. I need one of those.
You know why I don't
those
quit
apps.
it? I don't quit Audible because they're like, if you
Because you're not a quitter.
no, use it or lose it.
You lose all your credits.
And I'm like,
stuff,
well, I
man.
got to use the credits that I've banked up here.
But you're never going to use them.
I never remember to look for a book. You got
Yeah.
any book recommendations, Scott?
Sure. Viktor Frankl.
Is he deep state?
No.
Oh,
Yeah, well, then we don't want it.
Yeah, this is a deep
Man.
state,
Yeah,
this is
deep state segment.
I told you, I'm trying to learn this.
It's a
stuff.
great
Wait till the fiddles before you go
If
into
you want a book, though, it's a
Some
great way to start.
random book.
Perfect book to start. Viktor Frankl's A Man's Search for Meaning. So you'll love it.
But it all depends on who the narrator is. Because if it's not
That's
a good
true.
narrator,
Matthew McConaughey's great too.
is Matt McConaughey? I call him
He
Matt.
he reads his own stuff. He just came out with a new book. It's good stuff.
It's funny you say that. My favorite author is because of the narrator on
How
Audible.
crazy
Yeah.
is that?
Daniel Suarez. He uses Jeff Gernon as his if you're listening, Jeff, which I know you're not, kudos to you.
Can I tell you something that's
Good
weird?
reader.
And I don't know if it happens to everybody. And this may be some deep state stuff.
Oh,
When I listen to an album, I will look at what the person looks like. And if they're fat or ugly, I don't want to listen to them anymore.
Right?
Interesting.
No, everybody does that. It's hard.
That just
That's
sounds
how
like you're a
everybody
So
prick.
does.
you're not a big blues traveler guy, huh?
No, but what's weird is
I tell you, Meatloaf always bugged me.
Meatloaf
Yeah.
bugged the
Yeah.
shit out of me.
Because he
Absolutely.
didn't take care of
music.
himself.
Yeah.
So did his
Yeah,
music.
his music sucked too.
Yeah.
And the
you know-
name, like everything was wrong.
Right.
Like he looked like a
Meatloaf.
meatloaf. Like
Yeah.
not he didn't look like meatloaf. He looked like a
A
meatloaf.
meatloaf.
That's a whole different thing.
You know, but if you're gonna do that, you would never have listened to like Joe Cocker. Didn't take care of himself, but man, he could sing
Listen, don't put Joe Cocker in the meatloaf pile.
yeah.
That's a whole
You're
different
fucking
fucking
crazy. Have a little respect,
Yeah.
Nick.
But what about like a strung out junkie musician? You into that?
No.
Really?
Yeah, and I also can't listen to women sing.
That's another thing.
it. Aretha Franklin.
How come the musicians don't do drugs anymore?
Oh, they
They're all
do.
sober.
I don't know.
No, they do.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
all sober.
There's
No,
a
I think
couple.
they do.
They're all recovering.
They all wanna
Everyone's
live forever.
recovering now.
They come out drunk. It's more drinking now.
Pills.
Oh, they're doing pills?
Oh, you can't. Oh, well, Nick.
Anyone else annoyed by like the people that have been strung out or drunks or druggies and like now they're telling everyone not to do it? Like, well, you got the fucking
Charlie
do it for-
Sheen. You talking about Charlie Sheen?
Well, Charlie Sheen, RFK, all these guys.
Yeah,
that,
Charlie's
that
got a
they
little
all-
comeback thing.
They all have these ideas and ideals now, but they got to have their fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they're telling everyone else,
Yeah.
you don't do it.
Yeah.
But I already did my shit.
How about moderation?
It's something to be said for
I
that.
love moderation.
It does. It's a little annoying though.
Huge
I don't.
fan. Deep State
It's-
doesn't want us in.
it's
moderation.
kinda-
No,
it's
they
kinda
want us to keep
judgy.
us going.
They want to keep you. They want you to consume.
That's
consume as
that's
much.
second year classes.
What is that?
They teach
Do
you
as
that.
I
That's-
say,
yeah.
not
I
as
didn't
I
want
do
to tell
shit.
you, but I
I
have
love that.
gone to. I have gone to school. My major was Deep State. Didn't want to tell anybody because I was on the down low.
You know how to play the
Did you just
game.
get out?
play- yeah.
You just got out during this episode?
Yeah. So. So I have graduated with
Yeah,
my major.
I
is Deep
picture
State.
you as a world domination guy.
By the way,
Hmm.
if I on resumes, that is on my
You put it in.
education. Deep
Deep
State.
State.
1996 to 99. I got out a year early.
Yeah.
Deep State U,
Yeah. Deep State U.
DSU.
Why doesn't anybody say that when they're coming out
DSU.
on like the
Yeah.
college
Is that a
football?
school of hard knocks?
Yeah.
That would be awesome.
Deep
Deep
State
State
U.
U.
Joe
Don,
Satchamo.
linebacker,
State University.
DSU.
Yeah.
DSU.
Right.
Yeah.
That'd be great.
He's like the fattest lineman of the whole
Fucking
thing.
awesome.
Got a foil helmet on instead of a real one.
That would be
That'd be
amazing.
great.
Oh my God, that would be my favorite team, hands down.
100%. I wouldn't care.
What's the degree? MDS? Master Deep State?
Masters of Deep State.
Yeah.
MB,
Sure,
I think it was. I think it's an MBS.
MBS.
Masters in
MBS.
bullshit. Yeah. Or more than anything. Get an MBS
What's
from
the syllabus
DSU.
like? How to build a bunker.
Yeah.
Oh
No,
shit.
I don't
that's
know how
not
to
Deep
do
State.
that.
That's a whole different thing.
Yeah.
Oh, they have bunkers.
Have you gotten into
Deep State? Oh, Deep State's got fun.
That's
And
true.
they have trains. They
I
have
was
trains
thinking,
that go so
I was
fast.
thinking backyard
Oh, yeah.
bunker, not
they have
like.
turbo trains, or what do they call those? Hyperspeed.
boring? They have
hypersonic.
boring trains that are
Hypersonic.
running underground
No,
already.
we have got the shit Amtrak trains. If you want to take an Amtrak, you would think, you know what? I'm going to be there so fast. And it takes you 18 days just to get to, like, Kentucky.
Yeah, it's
terrible.
horrible. I took it one time.
Now, you can get from here to Japan in, like, 30 seconds.
Yeah.
These are portals. Then we're talking about
No, it's just
Go.
fast
Portal.
trains.
Listen,
fast trains.
Let's not. They're just fast trains. We're talking hypersonic trains. Don't
You
get
got a
into
fast train?
Yeah, don't get into CERN.
Don't have
I think you
time
mix
for a
up with
fast train.
Fast pass.
Yeah.
Oh, I was
think you
going
mix up
Tracy
your
Chapman
fast
on that
pass.
one.
Yeah, I did. I caught the reference.
I missed
Don's
it.
got a fast train.
I do have a fast
How
train.
can you not
He's got a ticket
believe
to anywhere.
in Deep State and still appreciate that since he changed it to Gulf America, there has not been a single
100%.
No
Nobody
hurricanes?
fucks with Gulf America.
There's two
Fucking crazy.
in the ocean right now.
Yeah.
They're going
They're
the whole
all-
other
yeah.
way.
They're scared.
This is
100%.
insane.
I have been noticing this since hurricane season started.
I'm to the point where I'm rooting for it
Yeah.
now.
For what?
Fucking
for,
awesome.
To win, right? For
Right,
no,
that there's
yeah.
going to be no hurricanes
We're done
in the
for the
Gulf.
year, huh? Though it's pretty much.
Well,
we're out of-
they got the
November,
two.
right?
yeah,
Isn't it?
but it's
Yeah,
kind
2
of
months.
No,
winding
we
down.
have one. We have two.
No, we're right in
I
the
guess
middle.
we had- I thought we were
October.
right in the
Yeah,
middle.
right in the
October.
middle.
is
We need
pretty
we
much-
need a solid hurricane like hit Cancun, just at the bottom of
Just
the
right at
Gulf
the
of
bottom.
America.
Yeah, so
so it's a fuck you to Mexico. Like Mexico, you're still on the list, but Gulf of America,
You're good.
respect.
It has been unbelievable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. All right, boys. Well, what do you think?
Listen, this was a lot
I-
of
What do you
fun.
think of this
Still
experiment?
It's fun.
I thought the experiment was fun, but I still say, let it ride. That's my motto in
Well,
life.
let's
Let
see.
it ride.
Listen to this episode when I
Okay.
put it out and
All
see
right.
what you think. I don't know. I kind of missed the segments.
All right. Well, they're fun. They're fun. So
Send
I
us
hope,
some
I
topics.
hope, yes,
You
send
could
some
hit
topics.
the
Some
fiddles
topics.
anytime or miss hit the fiddles anytime.
And listen,
Oh Jesus!
Holy
I'm going to tell
shit.
you, I literally almost died on air.
You take care of yourself, man.
You know what? I'm
If you're
getting away
gonna
to
go,
this.
if
I'm
you're
getting
gonna
away
You gotta
to
take
this.
care of yourself.
Or do
This
you think
guy-
that was the deep state
yeah.
trying to take me
Yeah,
out? Did I
working
say
out.
too much?
I think you did.
I said too much.
I think it was the Hillary comment.
End this goddamn episode right now. I gotta get home under the covers.
All right. Good night, everybody.
Good night.